Get ready to be blown away by the incredible surprises in the FabFitFun Fall Box. Hi friends, I'm super excited to partner with FabFitFun to bring you their Fall 2024 subscription box. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription where you get 6 products per season from top brands across beauty, fashion, home wellness, skincare, and more. And I love that I get to choose all of the products that go into my box, because then it really fits my lifestyle. So there are 2 ways that you can sign up for FabFitFun. You can sign up seasonally, where you'll be billed every 3 months, or annually, where you pay upfront for the whole year, and you get a little bit of a discount by paying upfront for the year. This season, FabFitFun is offering 2 special promotions. The first promotion, you can get 20% off of your first box when you sign up as a seasonal member, and the other promotion gets you a $200 surprise gift when you sign up as an annual member. I have a really special offer to share with you today. If you use my code CathyGift and the link, and you can find both in the description box and in the pinned comment underneath the video, you can get a free gift valued at over $200 with a new annual membership. I'm an annual member and I love it because as an annual member you get first dibs at picking the products, you get earlier shipping, and you get access to flash sales. I recommend an annual membership because I believe that you get the most out of an annual membership. But if you want to try a seasonal membership, get 20% off your first box with my code Cathy to get a box valued up to $350 for as low as $55.99. As a FabFitFun member, I get access to amazing flash sales with top brands like Prada, Glossier, and Summer Fridays for up to 70% off. The average member saves $500 in their first season. And my fall box is valued at up to $350, and I'm so excited to show you what I received in the box, and then we're gonna tally everything up. So let's see what I chose for my fall FabFitFun box. I was so excited whenever I got the sheet to pick what I wanted in my box this fall, because I absolutely love this first product, and it is the Elemis Pro Naked Makeup Melting Cleansing Balm. It's valued at $69. This alone paid for the box plus a little bit more. I love this stuff. It works like magic. It is by far my favorite makeup remover. I absolutely love Elemis makeup remover. It's so great. The other options are an Elemis Superfood Glow Cleansing Butter, a KitchenAid Loaf Pan, KitchenAid Cookie Bundle Set, which is great, you know, if you're a baker, a Sunday Citizen Snug Throw. They have it in 2 different colors, in buttercream and in this really nice orange shade. And there's also these gorgeous glass bowls by Sin Urch. They're a decorative bowl set. And then they have a Sin Fauna glass oil cruette. And then there is a bag by Fourth and Reckless. It's a faux suede crescent bag. So those are all the options that you have for choice number 1. Now I'm also really excited about choice number 2 and what I picked, and it is this gorgeous jewelry box. So the jewelry box is by Radley London, and it has a value of $98. I am over the moon with this box so far, and we've only gotten to my first 2 choices. So the other options that you have for choice 2 are a pair of Kate Spade rose gold aviator sunglasses. Ladies, the glasses have a value of $129. What a steal. There are 3 different options for mukluks. They come in small, medium, and large. And then there's this Puma sling bag. You also have the option of this Dr. Jart Soothing Repair Cream. And then you have the option of this ceramic coated tumbler. It comes in either the color Merlot or Cranapple. Some great choices. It's a hard decision in option number 2. So for option 3, when I saw these beautiful hoops by Ellie Vale, I had to have them. A girl can never have too many pairs of hoops. So you have the option of these in silver, or there's also a gold option, and they're a medium-sized hoop. So they're the perfect size for me. And then the other option is an Aloha umbrella. So if you need an umbrella, you can get one here and it's real cute. So for my fourth option, I decided to try this. And it's by the brand Array, and it's a leave-in mist conditioner. And especially on a day like today where it's over 100 Fahrenheit, my hair does not like humidity. So this is supposed to help to smooth and detangle. So it's a leave-in conditioner. That's always great, especially when, you know, it's really, really hot out. Your other choices, the first one, I considered picking this one over the conditioner. And it is by Nude Stick, and it's a gel color lip and cheek balm in the color Posh. And then there is a heat protector cream. There's also a Glossier lip product. And then there's an option, it's an adjustable disc ring. You have the option of getting it in gold or silver. So again, some really nice choices. So for option number 5, I chose the One Kind Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. It has a value of $40, and it nourishes and repairs your skin overnight. I love skincare. I'm always trying out different moisturizers, so that's why I chose this one. But your other options is there is a Bush Balm Ingrown Hair Oil. There are some press-on reusable nails. And then you have some number 7 Menopause Skincare Protect and Hydrate Day Cream. And then there is a Washland Zero Waste Laundry Detergent Strip, which I thought was kind of interesting. And then the last choice are these Bloom Power Patches. They're basically pore purifying nose strips. So great choices again for number 5. And for my final choice, I decided to go with this Aloha Splash Proof Travel Pouch. Hello, they had me at Aloha. A girl can never have too many travel pouches, and this one, like I said, is splash proof, and it has this great zipper. So this is perfect to have, you know, if you're traveling, even, you know, if you're going to the beach for the day, you can keep things nice and dry in this pouch. This has a value of $34. So your other options are a recipe journal, a recovery cold heat wrap, this cute Tony Moly Plumpkin Retinol Eye Cream, and these Slip Pure Silk Skinny Scrunchies. You get a set of 3. I really lucked out in this box. I personally feel this is the best FabFitFun box that I have ever curated, and I'm just over the moon with some of my choices. So let's tally up everything, and I'm going to tell you the value of my box. Do you have an idea of how much maybe my fall FabFitFun box is worth? I think you're going to be surprised. So we have the Elemis Cleansing Balm at $69. This gorgeous Radley London jewelry box, and it has a value of $98. These gorgeous silver hoop medium-sized earrings, value $61. This Array Mist leave-in hair conditioner has a value of $36. This One Kind moisturizing cream has a value of $40. And Aloha, this gorgeous splash-proof travel pouch, has a value of $34. Drum roll, please. My fall FabFitFun box has a total value of $338. I am blown away, ladies. I am so happy with the choices in this fall's FabFitFun box, and I really hope that you enjoyed taking a peek into everything that I got. Let me know in the comments if you plan on signing up or if you already are a FabFitFun member. And remember those 2 special savings that you can get by clicking through my link. You can get 20% off your first box when you sign up as a seasonal member and use my special link and code Cathy. Or if you want a $200 surprise gift when you sign up as an annual member, click on the annual member link and use the code CathyGift. I will also put my FabFitFun playlist where you can go and watch my unboxings from boxes from the past. I want to thank FabFitFun for partnering with me today on this video. And let me know, ladies, what do you think of my fall box that I curated? I am over the moon. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do so. It's free, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.